Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to view WhatsApp status without being seen. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to view anyone's WhatsApp status without being seen, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your WhatsApp, then go for settings in the bottom right corner, and here you just have to go for privacy, and here you will find an option of read receipts. You just have to disable that. Just tap on it and it will be disabled, and once you have disabled this toggle, now you can easily view anyone's status without being seen. But you have to keep in mind that you don't need to react or send any comment, or you don't have to like the status, or if you do anything you will be seen. But if you don't do anything that you don't like, you don't have make any comment, so you can easily view anyone's status without being seen on your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.